Good morning students. Class 10 General Maths video number 80, exercise 10.2, question number 8. So there is written a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. That means outside there is quadrilateral and that all the side of the quadrilateral are touching the circle at point P, Q, R, S. That means circle is inside the quadrilateral. So this quadrilateral is circumscribing a circle. So circle is inside the quadrilateral. So written circumscribing a circle. And that all the sides are touching the circle at point P, Q, R, S. So this P, Q, R, S, these are the point of contact. For the tangent, you can say AP is the tangent, BP is the tangent, or AB is the tangent. All are correct. Okay? You can say AS is the tangent, DS is the tangent, or AB is the tangent. But point of contact is same. Same to same, this one also, this one also. Okay? Now, we have to prove what? Prove that AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. That means opposite side. AB side plus CD side. AB plus CD. AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Okay? So, how you will get AD? First of all, we have to see left hand side only. First, you make one statement for AB. Second, you make one statement for CD. Okay? So, you have to make statement for AB and CD. But AB means what here? AB equal to AP plus BP. AP plus BP. So if you want to make statement for AB, then AB equal to AP plus BP. That means first of all you have to make one statement for AP. Then you have to make statement for BP. Okay? Then see CD. If you want to make statement for CD, but CD equal to what? CR plus DR. CR plus DR. So first of all you make statement for CR, then you make statement for DR, then you will get statement for CD. So that way you have to maintain the sequence. Okay. So how written that introduction part, just you see, already know that one solution. Let COR, C means circle, O means center, R means radius. It is the name of the circle. Okay, so COR be a circle which is circumscribed by a quadrilateral ABCD where P, Q, R, S, these all are the points of contact of the sides AB, BC, CD and AD of the quadrilateral. Okay, so of the quadrilateral ABCD, of the quadrilateral ABCD, already written there, so no need to write again. So quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. To prove, we need to prove AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. So first of all, we have to see left hand side. No need to think about right hand side. First of all, we have to see left hand side. What is given? AB plus CD. How we will get AB plus CD? So first of all, you see AB. So AB is what here? AB is AP plus BP. That means if you want to write statement for AB, then first of all you write statement for AP, then BP, then you will get AB statement. So A is the external point. A is the external point. From here you have drawn AP and AS, one pair of tangent. AP and AS, one pair of tangent drawn from same external point. So by theorem what? These two tangents are equal. Okay, so we can write one statement for AP is what? AP equal to AS. Why? Because this pair of tangent we have drawn from same external point A. Same to same. Next is what? BP. Why next is BP? Because there is written AB. First of all we have to think about only AB. Okay, so AB, one part is AP. So AP one statement is what? AP equal to AS. This one written AP equal to AS. Statement number 1. Why equal these two? Because tangents are drawn from same external point P. And what is the main theorem? Main theorem is this This one is written in the top. Since tangents which are drawn from same external point to the circle at different point of contacts are equal in length. Okay. So therefore AP equal to AS, because A is the external point. So that's why AP equal to AS. And then B is the external point. We have drawn BP and BQ. This pair of tangent we have drawn from same external point. So that's why these two are equal. Same process, CR equal to CQ. So this one is the external point. We have drawn same pair of tangent from same external point. So these two tangents are equal. Same process, D is the external point. So DR equal to DS. This pair of tangent drawn from same external point. So these two are equal. So first of all we have to see that AB and CD. So two statements we have made for AB, and these two statements we have made for what? CD. So first statement number given 1, second statement number given 2, then third statement number given 3, fourth statement number given 4. And reason is what? They are drawn from same external point. What is the external point? Already written there. This pair of tangent drawn from same external point A, this pair of tangent drawn from same external point B, this pair of tangent drawn from same external point C, this pair of tangents drawn from same external point D. So that's why they are equal. Now we have to make one statement for AB. So first of all we have to join left hand side plus left hand side, right hand side plus right hand side. Number 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2. Statement number 1 plus 2. That means left hand side plus left hand side, right hand side plus right hand side. Plus means what? Join. You are joining. So AP and BP. AP plus BP. That means if you join AP plus BP, then you will get AB. So statement number 1 plus 2. Statement number 1 plus 2. Left hand side joined with left hand side, right hand side joined with right hand side. So now no need to think about right hand side. First of all you think about left hand side. How we will get AB? So AP plus BP equal to AS plus BQ. So AP plus BP, you see the diagram. AP joined with BP, then you get AB. So getting or not? AP plus BP equal to AB. And this statement is what? AS plus BQ, AS plus BQ keeps AB. That one is new statement number 5. Okay. Next step is what? CD. How we will get CD? Now see statement number 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. CR plus DR. Left hand side joined with left hand side, right hand side joined with right hand side. Okay. So CR plus DR, that means these two you are joining. Then CR plus DR, so CR plus DR. If you join these two, then you will get CD. So then you will get CD, then equal to CP plus DS. CP plus DS, this one is statement number 6. Now here you see. To prove, there is written AP, you have to join with CD. AB, not AP, AB plus CD. So from here you are getting hints. What you need to do? That means we have to add AB and CD. From here we are getting hints. Okay. We need to do what? 5 plus 6. Then you get left hand side plus left hand side, right hand side plus right hand side. So AB plus CD. AB plus CD equal to right hand side statement plus right hand side statement. Adding. Now see. AB plus CD, that one already matched in left hand side. So now we want right hand side. How we will get AD and BC? Just to see the diagram. So AD is what? AS plus DS. AS plus DS. So on the right hand side you see AS plus DS is there or not. AS, DS. There. So just to arrange in one bracket. Then we need what? BC. BC. In the diagram you see. How we will get BC? BQ plus CQ. So you check here, BQ and CQ is there or not? Yes, BQ and CQ is there. So these two arrange in one bracket. So AS joined with DS, then you get AD by diagram. BQ joined with CQ. If you join them, then you will get BC by diagram. So now getting left hand side equal to right hand side, hence proved. That's all.